So one of the most daunting things about getting an alarm system is wiring it up. You want it to look seamless, so this means running cables down walls, potentially drilling holes or lifting floorboards. Scrap that. This alarm system kit is meant to fix all that. The company's called EZVIZ, and we have one of their starter kits and a couple of the cameras. So this kit comes with everything you need to get started. And the best thing is, it's mostly wireless. So in the box, you get the EZVIZ hub, motion detector, open-close detector, and the remote control. Now the setup process was really easy. You just download the app, scan the QR code on the back of the hub, and the app will automatically send all your router information through to the hub. Then just turn on the other products and it will all automatically connect. It also has voice prompts to tell you everything has connected successfully. One hub can support up to 32 devices, so whether it's for a home or a small business, the EZVIZ system should be everything you need. You can add cameras to it easily as well. They have QR codes on the back, so you just scan them and you can instantly start viewing. Then all that's left to do is place these sensors around your house. The open-close detector comes with adhesive strips and then can be placed on the inside of doors, windows, basically anything. When it detects movement, it'll send an alert to your mobile phone. The cool thing is this unit has an internal battery and lasts 3 months. Then it can just be charged up using the included micro USB cable. The wireless motion detector also runs on batteries, so again, no wires. You just place it on the wall and forget. Now, as for the cameras, the dome camera is designed to be an indoor camera and can be powered over USB, and includes motorized pan and tilt. Then the Husky Air camera is the outdoor variant and can either be powered through wall power or over Ethernet. But once you turn these on, they're ready to go. To view your cameras, you can either log into your browser or just use the app on your phone. Both have built-in infrared sensors for nighttime security and have a lot of options for detecting movement. So if there was an intruder, the camera will send your phone a notification, and then wherever you are, you can just tap the notification and instantly view your camera. These cameras also have inbuilt sirens that are decently loud at 100 decibels. So it's up to you whether you want to turn this on. Now you can place a micro SD card in these cameras to back up your footage, or in the app you can tap record and save footage files to the EZVIZ cloud gallery. Now the cool thing about the EZVIZ system is everything talks to each other, so you can buy extra parts down the line, like a couple more sensors or the wireless siren, and then have it set up so if the open-close sensor is activated between certain hours while you're at work, it can tell the camera to start recording, activate the wireless siren, and send your phone a notification, all simultaneously. The key fob remote is also a nice bonus. It's sleek with a panic button and a 4-way rocker to arm home, arm away, disarm, and turn off voice prompts on the main alarm hub. The whole system was really impressive. The notifications came through instantly, the camera quality was full 1080p, but most importantly, it was one of the easiest home security setups I've ever experienced. So I definitely recommend this system if you're looking for a simple, effective, and good value for money home security system. You can check out any of these products either in-store or online at pbtech.co.nz. I'm Eli from PB Tech. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.